Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's been a while since I posted, especially one of these Amsterdam videos. In this video, a few friends and I who lived at the same residence in Amsterdam, we decided to go on a 2-hour bike ride to Kasteel de Haar, which is nearby Utrecht. And if you're Dutch and you want to correct my pronunciations, comment below. With that being said, I hope you enjoy it, and thanks again for watching the channel, everybody. I'm here in the Dutch countryside, and we're currently on the bike ride to this castle. I'm doing this journey with 3 of my flatmates at Uilenstede. So I'm going with Max, Madalena, and Robert. And these 3 actually were the only ones who were willing to wake up so early to leave. It's hard to wake up early in student residences. Okay, so are you excited to go to this castle, Madalena?
So much. I just want to arrive there. Yeah, we will soon.
Should be very nice.
Yeah, I hope so.
What a church. That's beautiful. Alright, so I didn't know this before, but it turns out this castle is the biggest castle in Holland or the Netherlands. Never actually been in a castle, let alone the biggest castle in any country, let alone the Netherlands.
That's not a chicken pudding. Castle in Germany got inspiration from for the Disney castles. Oh. It's much bigger than this one, but this one's cute.
Okay.
That's like Netherlands style.
Yeah.
You know, saying it's not bad just shows how much you mean that you think it's bad.
No, because I for Spanish royalty and Dutch and such. Old bathroom in there.
For the restorations here.
Oh really? They sold the books?
Yeah, they had Diderot and D'Alembert Encyclopedia, first editions.
It is not known when or where these figures were purchased.
Laat weten door wie die goed getrokken heeft.
Als je wel naar boven gaat, dan heb je al een paar plekken dat ze inderdaad dat stond overnaam. Met heel veel op te zien van andere windschild.
Alright, so we just finished up with the museum and we're going to start the 2-hour bike ride back home to Amsterdam. So it's going to be a pretty long ride, but should get back around 8 p.m. Some of my friends were saying it's not quite as big as the castles in other places like in Spain and Portugal, but it's still very nice and it's one of the biggest castles I've seen. So thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next time on Onwards and Upwards.
Like, subscribe and share. Click on. Do like, subscribe and share this video towards your family, friends and everything. Go, hit like button.